Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable a dark mode on your X account. Simply at first open your Twitter X. Press on Profile, Settings and Privacy. As you can see, Accessibility, Display and Language to display. Showing it to System Day and Dark Mode. Not showing it to Changing Color option. Okay. Just go back, open your any browser, like open your Chrome browser or Safari browser. Like I'm open Safari browser. Go to search option, search it to x.com. Okay. And need to sign in your account. Okay. Now sign in your account. Now successfully log in my X account. Press on to Profile, Settings and Privacy. Press on Accessibility, Display and Language. Finally, press on to Display and Ambient to change color option to default or light out and change color. Select any on, and as you can see, showing it to change color. That's it.